Those biological controls that you can see we use are organisms that are going to stop or eat other harmful organisms. So in addition, we can do some work with behavioral control. So this is an example where we use the apple maggot fly. So it's an apple maggot fly. And we use these fake sticky apples. So the fly will land on this fake apple and get stuck to it and be trapped. And so hopefully that'll keep them from being able to reproduce and lay their eggs inside apples, which then turn into larvae, which then consume the apple from the inside out. Nobody wants to bite into a buggy apple. In addition, we spend a lot of time educating people regarding pests. So learning about public health, warning about the dangers of different organisms. So as you go out, just making sure you're aware if there's an outbreak of West Nile virus in the area, or Lord, heaven forbid that there be malaria, or ticks. Ticks are a biggie, and talking about Lyme disease, but warning people about those things. You can also help to remove places where the organisms can reproduce. So for example, if you have around your house places where water can pool up and you just got standing water, uncovered boats can hold standing water, old tires and trees and toys and things, anywhere that there's standing water is a place where mosquitoes can lay larvae, which can then reproduce. So getting rid of old tires, getting rid of any standing water will help to reduce the amount of mosquitoes. In addition, you can come in and have professionals come in and fog the area to knock mosquitoes out. But if you don't take care of the actual place where the mosquitoes are reproducing, chances are they'll come back. All right, so that's some of the major roles that insects play. And again, there's a lot of content here, which is why this is part 2 of your videos. But insects play a huge role in the environment. They play a huge role in the world as far as like bottom of the food chain. And so they're very important to kind of take a look at and know that they're out there. So our concept check questions. Number 1, list 3 keys to insect success. Why are insects so successful? Why are they able to live in so many different places? List at least 5 major orders of insects and describe the main characteristic of each. You can look at the table in the textbook, or you can go back in the presentation. Describe at least 2 positive effects insects have on the world and 2 negative effects some insects have on humans. So make sure you're touching on both the positives and the negatives. That is it for 24.4, and that is the conclusion of chapter 24 regarding arthropods. So we looked at all the other kinds of arthropods here in this section.